Cooking with GLAZ 4. Today we're making
Fajitas! It's mild, which I don't agree with, but there is no other option.
the kit we have here comes with wraps, seasoning,
Wraps.
and salsa.
Salsa. Yes!
And then outside of that, you just buy whatever veg you want.
We got baby
So
corn.
we got very
Not
little
baby corn.
veg, sweet corn.
We got sweet corn.
And
Baby corn.
chicken! Preheat the oven to
Hold on,
205
here's my
fan
baby.
assisted. It doesn't go to 205, shit.
Hey guys, today I cried over that box. True story.
We're making nachos too, but we're not gonna
That's
film
not your
that.
business though.
That was good, that was good.
I'm under the sea.
We're using chicken for the fajitas, and then it gives you your choice of veg. So we have peppers
Green
and
giants.
sweet corn. Then I'm gonna have onions and lettuce.
You're making me look bad.
But Leah won't because she's smelly. I'm not
Hey
eating the
Kitty,
onions.
Kitty, can I lift you for dramatic effect?
Oh, that's a weird way to lift Kitty. She's not happy.
She's pushing. I'm sorry.
I think she wants me instead. Diddle me out, go on. Okay, that's Kitty, everyone. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 205.
Done
We have
it.
it on 200. Toss the chicken in 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
I can toss.
Empty seasoning mix into shaker bag and add chicken. Toss to coat. So we're putting 2 tablespoons of...
With the little spoon. Everyone knows the little spoon.
We're doing 2 tablespoons.
Like, pop it in.
Put it in. Oh, listen to that noise.
That's not a good pussy.
We're both really bad at raw chicken. The next step is put the seasoning in the shaking bag and then add the chicken.
That smells nice.
Oh, that smells so nice.
It also kind of smells like cat food.
I don't smell that at all.
Oh no, if this gets on my finger, I'll gag. Like, ew, you're actually picking it up. Gavin, there's so many meat juices.
Shake, 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 shake. I'm wiping my hands. That was fun. Can I
You just spread juice on my leg.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's
I
wet.
didn't.
Gavin, my leg is wet. I'm gonna cry.
Why?
Shake it. You're feeling good.
Oh, this looks fucking good on side.
That'd be good. Neck it.
Look at that. So the chicken is now coated in the seasoning. Look at that. That looks delicious.
Cooked in fajitas. Oh, you know what? That smells.
Sorry. it's
Sorry.
actually done.
It smells really nice.
I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes, baby.
15.
So while the chicken's cooking, we're gonna cut up the peppers and start grilling it a little bit.
Oh, I just wasn't recording. Sorry, I was like this. Hey, I think she wants some chicken. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Boogie, boogie. Oh, yeah. Gentle.
I'm just gonna do red peppers.
Oh, she bit my finger. Wow.
Look at that sizzle, baby.
Yeah, you love some well done peppers, though.
But it smells.
It's a little bit burnt, but you know what? I think it would be nice. Oh. Hello, corn. Hello, chicken.
Oh god.
Oh, crispy chicken.
Nice! So now we're just gonna put all the individual things into little bowls, and it's a pick and mix, and you can put whatever you want in.
Pick a mix, oh my god. Yay, I love me a pick and mix. Oh god, look at this cutie. Hey! I'll just give you a little teeny one again. Sorry, fine. Oh my god, stop asking me for one. Oh, it's under your paw. She kicked it.
Hello everybody, some time has passed. We are dressed fancy for our date night, because YOLO swag, why not? We have everything laid out. We've got the chicken, the lettuce, the salsa, the other stuff, everything laid out. So now we're just gonna put them together and have a little taste test.
Little taste.
A little taste test. This is a really bad angle, but we're just gonna tell you what we're putting on them, and yeah. I'm gonna start with some chicken too.
That's what I did.
Peppers next.
I'm guessing corn next. I'm only gonna put a few peppers on.
Then I'm gonna do some salsa, the hot and spicy one.
Give me some of that sauce.
I'm not going to put too much in case it's really hot.
And put so much on in case it's really hot.
Bit of lettuce. And then finally some cheese. Okay, I think I overfilled mine.
You definitely did.
So mine's very overfull, but let's
Overfull.
try it.
That was a crunch.
Mmm. It's really nice. It's too full. Yeah, so is mine. I'm still holding it.
Hey, you know what? That's fine.
Taste test.
Mmm.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mmm.
Mm.
Oh, cheese, that's so same. We popped over here. Mmm, it's spicy.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Nice spicy though. Nice spicy though.
Oh, this is sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Recommend to a friend.
Also recommend to a friend. Thank you for watching Cooking with GLAZ 4. Like and subscribe. Bye. Do the recipe. Love you.
Recipe.
Bye.